Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am going to solve question number 1 of exercise 3.2. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric ratios, 5 trigonometric functions. Here question number 1, cos x equal to minus 1 by 2. Here cos x equal to minus 1 by 2 and x lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. The value of cos x is given. Here I am going to find the value of sin x, cosec x, sec x, tan x and cot x with help of cos x equal to minus 1 by 2. As you know that the sign of sin x in third quadrant, sin x in third quadrant is negative, and the sign of cosec x, the sign of cosec x in third quadrant is, the sign of cosec x is negative and the sign of sec x is what? The sign of sec x in third quadrant is also negative, and the sign of tan and cot, the sign of tan and cot in third quadrant is positive. So first I am going to find the value of sin x. Children, we know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. By using this identity we can find the value of sin x, because the value of cos x is given. Now I am going to put the value of cos x. Sin square x plus the value of cos x is what? The value of cos x is minus 1 by 2. Then the value of cos square x equal to 1 by 4. Square of minus 1 by 2 is equal to what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. It will become 3 upon 4. Hence the value of sin x is equal to plus minus root 3 by 2. Square root of 3 by 4 is equal to plus minus 3 by root 3 by 2. Here x lies in which quadrant? X lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. Here, as we know that the sign of sin x in third quadrant is negative, so we will prefer negative. Sin x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. This is the value of sin x. Here, as we know that in third quadrant the sign of sin is negative, so we will prefer negative sign. Okay. Now I am going to find the value of tan x. If the value of sin x is minus root 3 by 2 and the value of cos x is minus 1 by 2, we can find the value of tan x by using which identity? As you know that tan x equal to sin x upon cos x. The value of sin x equal to minus root 3 by 2 and the value of cos x is given. Now tan x equal to sin x upon cos x is equal to the value of sin x is what? Minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2 upon minus 1 by 2 is equal to root 3. This will be cancelled. This is the value of tan x, root 3. If the value of tan x equal to root 3, then the value of cot x equal to what? As you know that cot x is the reciprocal of tan. If the value of cot x, tan x equal to root 3, then the value of cot x equal to reciprocal of root 3, and the reciprocal of root 3 is 1 upon root 3. Hence the value of cot x is equal to 1 by root 3. Cot x equal to 1 by root 3. Now I am going to write the value of sec x. The value of sec x. Sec x is equal to 1 upon cos. 1 upon cos, and the value of cos x is given 1 by minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Here x lies in third quadrant, as you know that. Just you can see here the value of sec x, the sign of sec x in third quadrant is negative. So the value of sec x is equal to minus 2 at last. Now I am going to find the value of cosec x. As we know that cosec x is the reciprocal of sin x. Cosec x equal to reciprocal of sin. 1 upon sin x is equal to 1 by the value of sin x is what? The value of sin x is minus root 3 by 2 is equal to minus 2 by root 3. Okay. Thank you, children.